How to find your recovery key for your Mac. So you can just go ahead and open up your Spotlight search, and from there you can type in passwords. You're gonna either have to use your Touch ID or you're gonna enter your password for your passwords to unlock. Once it's unlocked, you're gonna have to search for Apple or until you find MacBook Air, and you'll have the recovery key. You're gonna go ahead and press on that option after you search for Apple, and right on the right side of your MacBook Air option, you should be able to see the recovery key right below the serial number. So if your Mac belongs to a company or a school, you can try contacting its administrator. The organization may store and manage the recovery key for you. So this is usually the file vault recovery key, usually a 24-character combination of letters and numbers. When it was not saved to your Apple account or organization, Apple won't be able to retrieve a lost key. So without the login password or recovery option, the encrypted files may become inaccessible. But hopefully this process can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.